Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and apply for a Halifax credit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, and as you can see here where I am, type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for Halifax credit card. So it is a pretty simple, of course, these are pretty simple steps, so you can do it in no time. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can do it for a debit card, and it is pretty much almost the same. Now I'll be switching to the step by step. So first of all, you need to of course go and prepare and log in. So if you're a new customer, prepare the documents for this. Then you need to go, of course, if you're eligible, soft check. So of course, the address history, monthly income, expenses, everything here. Then step 3 is to compare and select card. So here we have some limits, your eligible cards, which you can get. So we can check out those and see which one is actually for you. Then complete application. So the final application, this is a hard check where they will see your name, everything about your background and all of those things. And then you will receive an approval and card info. So application will be approved. You will get the estimated limit, your rate, and estimated PIN delivery. The last step, I'll be going and putting my camera off for this. So step 6 is to PIN and card arrival. So the card will come in about 3 to 5 business days, and you will get, of course, a welcome pack also. So just wait for it then. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.